Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i M Sport Edition in Tanzanite Blue Metallic with a black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i M Sport Edition in Tanzanite Blue Metallic. I've just hit unlock on the key. We've got the headlights on here. And let me give you a lap all the way around the vehicle. Looks really nice. Especially we've got some sun coming through, so you can see some of the Tanzanite blue color hitting the sun. And towards the back, less sun, more artificial light. So now that we've done a lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got Tanzanite Blue Metallic. This color looks amazing. It's one of my favorite colors. It's the color of my current 330i. In certain lights, looks almost black, like over here. But in sunlight, you can definitely tell this is an awesome blue color with lots of that metallic fleck in there. It looks amazing. And the M Sport Edition can come in Tanzanite Blue, Black Sapphire Metallic, Mineral White Metallic, Dravik Gray Metallic, Brooklyn Gray Metallic, and Frozen Pure Gray. So this is the Tanzanite one. You see the body lines coming down the hood, 4 lines, BMW Rondell up front here, and we have the one-piece matte black kidney grille with the vertical slats, and these are active grille shutters just behind there. Front facing camera. Front plate bracket is here. Radar puck down here for advanced driver assist functions. And we've got some air pathways going through so that we can get air into the intercoolers, oil coolers, and into the brake duct area. And let's see those double chevron headlights on again with the low beams. Looks really nice. And if you look down here, it's kind of bright, but the kidney grille is lit up with the cascading lighting effect from the top. That looks awesome. And we have the headlights on, so if we take a closer look at the headlights, these are the BMW LED headlights in shadow line. So the black housing on the inside. It says BMW LED in there. And when the lights are on, you can see all the little intricate detailed patterns and such. So that looks really nice. The way it reflects off these little triangle patterns inside there also looks really nice. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that obviously M Sport Edition gives you the M Sport package. So we've got body colored over fenders. These are the 22-inch V-spoke 747M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake back there. I love how these wheels look, especially with the red brakes. It looks really nice. Pops very much so with the red caliper. And we've got this black design element on the fender that also introduces some body lines across the side of the vehicle. And with the M Sport Edition, you do get the body colored side mirrors here as well, integrated turn signal and side camera. Welcome light carpet is also here. It's a bit hard to see, but it definitely is there. And we have this style door handle with touch comfort access just on the front. Black roof rails, panoramic sunroof, and we've got the new style antenna here as well. And side profile view, nice body lines going up and across into the rear door handle. There's your rear 747M wheel and the red caliper there as well. But the Hofmeister kink is here, and we've got a little bit of a spoiler just on the top. We've got the X-shaped tail lights, so that looks sweet. And X5 badging, xDrive40i badging, and we've got the freeform exhaust down here on the bottom on each side with the rear diffuser. So since I'm back here already, let me just swift kick underneath the middle of the car with the key, and that'll get the tailgate to open up. We have a cargo cover here to hide your contents. If you don't want it here, there's a button on the top of the vent that you can press that releases the cargo cover. Once it is released, there's a space where it can be stored underneath here. There's more storage space here with your carpeted mats. We got wheel lock key and tow hook down here. And there's a little button here to raise or lower just the lower tailgate portion, like so. And if I bring this down, we have a 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, another grocery bag hanger on this side, and if I lift this up, we have a tire inflator kit down there since these are non-run flats. And up top, button to close, another one to close and lock. But if you kick, you can get all that to happen hands-free, which is sweet. If we come around to the passenger side, the fuel cap doors on the passenger side of the vehicle connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. There's a spot here to put the cap while you refuel. If I open up the back door, we have the manual sunshades in the rear. Nice stitching going across the door panel. You got your door pull, window switch, and we have some ambient light, speaker, big deep door pockets, aluminum illuminating M door sill, and we got the beautiful black interior here. This looks awesome. And headrest can flip up or flip down. There's a release on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. And if I pull this down here, you'll see that we have the cup holders here, storage space there, and there's also a string that's found for the center pass-through. So that is awesome. Up top, we've got the black headliner, coat hanger, and handle, and lights on each side. And on the back of each front seat, we do have some pockets. There's also some vents on the back of the center console with heated seats for the two outer seating positions, a little bit of storage space, and two USB Type-C charging ports, and 12-volt plug is down there. So now that we've had a chance to look in the back seating area, let's shut this door. And we'll open up the front door next. So now that we have the front door open, you'll see that we've got the nice stitching going across the panel. Door pull, unlock, lock. There's your window switch and some ambient lighting. And we've got piano black trim inside of here. Door pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And we've got the new vent design, interaction light bar, piano black trim, stitching going across the dash behind the curved display with iDrive 8.5. We have a glove box down here which is illuminated and the ability to lock it. And over here, if I lift this up, you'll see that there's a wireless charger, USB Type A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. We have a glass iDrive controller, push start button, and gear selector. Some nice stitching going across the side here as well. If I press this, USB Type-C charging port inside. So now that we've had a chance to look through the passenger door, let's open up the driver door next. All right, let's open up that driver door. And inside we have memory. We have a button that makes it so these controls will operate the passenger chair. You have tailgate release, push to open, pull and hold to close while the key is inside the car. Side mirror controls, window controls, unlock, lock, door pull, and again, just like the other side, nice stitching across, ambient light, black trim, speaker, some big deep door pockets, and we've got the aluminum illuminating M door sill. There's your M Sport steering wheel, and we have the head-up display here as well. And the M Sport Edition does give you the full advanced driver assist, so you have the cruise control with assisted driving plus, so no hands on the steering wheel, with cruise control mitigating the speed, distance to the car in front of you, steering for you, and changing lanes for you. And it has all the parking features as well, so automatic front park, back park, parallel park, pre-recorded parking path. And up top, we do have the buttons there for your garage door opener, And because this also comes with 360 cam, you will also have the drive recorder, so that can record if you crash the vehicle, or you can manually record whenever you want. So it's kind of like a queued up dash cam, if you will call it that. And X5 also gives you the ability for Digital Key Plus through the My BMW app, so you could operate this vehicle just with your phone if you wish. And with the My BMW app, you'd also have the ability to use remote control parking, meaning you can get out of the car, start the car with the app, and maneuver the vehicle just with your phone. So pretty high tech. And down here, some exterior lighting controls. A little storage compartment exists here as well. Got some pedals, and there's your hood release. 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo. And we have 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. Diamond-shaped strut brace, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. What a beast. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. This paint looks awesome, and I'm a big fan of Tanzanite Blue Metallic, so I'm glad that they've put it on this M Sport edition for us. And the X5 really is the one vehicle in our lineup that can do everything, and it is lots of space, lots of power, very functional. So if you're looking for best family vehicle, I elect the X5. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i M Sport Edition in Tanzanite Blue Metallic with the black interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.